Hello, I'm John Woodward. What I want to talk to you about today is respiratory protective equipment, RPE, and in particular RPE when removing asbestos cement materials and vinyl floor tiles, non-notifiable asbestos products. There are two types of mask that can be used when carrying out this work, both of which are designed to protect you from breathing in fibres. 4,000 people in the UK die each year from asbestos related diseases. We don't want you to be one of those. The mask that I choose to use when dealing with asbestos is a Sunstrom half face mask. FFP3 disposable paper masks can be used, but I find that a half mask is more comfortable, is easier to use, and gives me more confidence when I'm working with asbestos products. This mask contains a filter at the front to prevent asbestos fibres moving into the lungs. The changes to the Control of Asbestos Regulations 2012, which came in April of that year, places an onus on all persons using masks now to record the use of that mask and the fact it's been cleaned before and after use. By using a half face mask, it's easy to demonstrate that the cleaning has been carried out. The mask can be wiped down both inside and by opening sections of the mask and then cleaning. The filter itself can be disposed of at the end of the working shift into an asbestos bag. The key message I want to give you is have a healthy fear of asbestos. Yes, it kills 4,000 people in the UK each year. But by protecting yourself using a correctly fitted mask, there will be no issues. Whichever mask you wear must be correctly fitted, and you must have a face fit certificate for that mask. Make sure you understand how to fit the mask. Make sure you understand the mask must go on first and come off last. That is going to protect you. Exposure records are also required, dependent on the type of material that you're working with and the asbestos types within that material. But the key message is a correctly fitted mask with a correct asbestos filter will save your life. Wear your mask, protect yourself, go home at the end of the day safe.